He said, patriotism my ass. Kayo kaya ang taksil sa bayan dahil sunod-sunuran kayo sa dikta ng Amerika. Booking na ang kawalang hiyaan mo, Jay Tariela. Primarily, sir, they are calling me as a US lapdog. Sinasabi nila I'm a CIA agent. They are also saying that I am receiving talent fee from the US Embassy.
Were these attacks from Filipinos or from foreigners?
From Filipinos, sir. Mr. Mark Lopez, sir.
Mr. Mark Lopez, you're questioning the patriotism of one of our uniformed personnel.
Mr. Chair, I have been reading a lot and I have been being bombarded with a lot of news about the South China Sea issue. The United States is using the Philippines to promote its agenda in the South China Sea. Yung pong ginagamit niya mga terms regarding the South China Sea issue is very similar to the United States propaganda regarding the South China Sea issue.
You're saying that he is a lapdog just because he's fighting for what is rightfully ours? Yun din naman po ang sinisigaw ng mga mamamayang Pilipino, atin po yun. Yun din po yung sinisigaw ng mga mangingisda na nanggagaling sa Zambales na araw-araw kinakawawa na binabangga ng mga Chinese militia vessels.
Mr. Chair, pwede ko po matanong, ano po ba yung atin na inagaw?
And this is the reason why we need to counter fake news purveyor like Mr. Mark Lopez spreading wrong information about our fight in the West Philippine Sea.